अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू द चैनल कलेक्ट दी नोट्स, जिसमें हमारा क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स के 7 चैप्टर जो कि लास्ट चैप्टर है रिजिड बॉडी, हम इसके एमसीक्यूज़ देखेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है हमारे पास, the motion of the particle of the mass m is described in a non-inertial frame of the reference that is rotating with the uniform angular velocity omega. If r denotes the position of the particle in the non-real frame, then the centrifugal force on a particle is minus m omega cross into omega cross r. नेक्स्ट है एन symmetric rigid body has a three distinct principal moment of inertia with ix less than iy less than iz. If we consider rotation with the uniform angular velocity about x, y and z axis respectively, then the motion is stable about the x axis, stable about x and z axis, but not about the y axis. Then a particle having angular momentum L is placed in a rotating frame having angular velocity omega. It will have lowest energy, then the L is anti-parallel to the omega. An n particle system is being acted upon the external forces. The applied torque is 0, but the total external force is not. Let P be the total linear momentum and L to be the total angular momentum. Then which of the following statements are true? Then both P and L are conserved. 4-1 हमारे पास होगा. नेक्स्ट है, a particle of mass m is a free slide along thin rod. The rod rotates with a constant angular velocity about fixed axis passing through one end of the rod. The angle between the rod and axis of rotation remains fixed. The number generalized coordinate required to describe the motion is हमारे पास होंगी 2. For torque, free motion of the symmetric body of the moment of the inertia tensor I and angular velocity omega can be described by the Euler equation is, हमारे पास जो इक्वेशंस बनेगी वो हमारे पास होंगी ये I1 omega dot 1 into I22 minus I33 into omega 2 and omega 3. This is important MCQs. नेक्स्ट है, ये आगे फर्दर इक्वेशंस दी हुई हैं उनकी. 7 वाला है हमारे पास, a system of the 4 particle in xy plane. One of these two particles, each of the mass m is located at 1 1 and 1 minus 1. The remaining two particles, which of the 2m are located at 1 1 and minus 1 minus 1. The xy component of the moment of the inertia tensor of the system of the particle is minus 10 meter. Again है, the particle of the mass m moving in a straight line with the velocity mu collides with a stationary particle of the mass same in the center of the mass coordinate system. The particle is deflected by the 90-degree the speed of the second particle after collision in the laboratory system will be the under root 2v. A rod of the twisting couple C unit two identical sphere of the moment of the inertia I, and each the dumbbell shaped arrangement is placed on the horizontal frictionless table and given a twist causing the sphere of the execute simple harmonic motion. The time period is हमारे पास जो होगा वो 2 पाई इंटू 1 I over 2c होगा. 10 है, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द एनर्जी ऑफ द टेंसर ऑफ द बॉडी इज गिवन बाय आई. हमारे पास जो उन्होंने मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है, द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ द एनर्जी अबाउट एन एक्सिस. एन पॉइंट्स हमें दिए हुए हैं, जो इसका आंसर होगा 5. सॉल्व करके आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. 11 वन है हमारे पास, a rigid body is rotating about the center of the mass fixed origin with an angular velocity omega and the angular acceleration. If the torque acting on it, the angular momentum L, is rotate the change of its kinetic energy, then हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन बनेगी वो हाफ टॉर्क डॉट ओमेगा। 12 एन है हमारे पास। ए ट्राइंगल ऑफ द यूनिफॉर्म मास डेंसिटी बेस एल एंड हाइट इज शॉन। द सेंटर ऑफ द मास ऑफ द ट्राइंगल लाइज एट इट्स डिस्टेंस अबव द केस। हमारे पास होगा h/3। h/3। इसके बाद हैं इन एब्सेंस ऑफ एन अप्लाइड टॉर्क ऑफ द रिजिड बॉडी विद द थ्री डिस्टिंक्ट प्रिंसिपल मोमेंट ऑफ द इनर्शिया इज गिवन है I2, I3 एंड I1 is rotating freely about the fixed point inside the body. The Euler equation of the component of its angular velocity omega 1, omega 2 and omega 3 तीनों हमें दी हुई हैं। फर्स्ट है an equilibrium position in omega 1, omega 2 and omega 3 space R। जो हमारे पास होगा वो C होगा 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1। The constant of the motion R, इसका भी C है। omega 1 स्केयर प्लस omega 2 स्केयर प्लस omega 3 स्केयर प्लस एंड omega 1 omega 2 एंड omega 3। 14 है हमारे पास an anomalous of the mass m made of the material of the uniform density has an inner and outer radii a and b respectively. If its principal moment of the inertia along the axis of the symmetry perpendicular to the plane of the anomalous is हमारे पास होगा -12 m b square plus a square. The principal moment of the inertia of a rigid body of an arbitrary shapes are given I1, I2 and I3. Which of the following represent a valid set of values for II in some arbitrary units? हमारे पास होंगे I1 हमारे पास 3 होगा, I2 7 होगा एंड I3 हमारे पास 4 होगा। 16 हमारे पास है ए motorcyclist rides on an inner surface of the large globe of the radius r along a vertical longitude. In order that he stay in the inner surface, his minimum speed should be, उसकी minimum speed जो होगी वो into 2 into under root rg। Next है a point mass m is moving along a circle of the radius r and centered at a point c. Q represent a fixed point on a circle. If omega c is equal to 2 omega q, be the instantaneous angular velocity of the mass around the point c and q respectively जब हमारे पास होंगे जो ओमेगा q and ओमेगा c बोथ आर इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे। इसके बाद है two uniform of the thin rod of the equal length L, mass m1 and m2 are joined along together the length. The moment of the inertia of the combined rod is 2L with the axis passing through the midpoint perpendicular to the length of the rod is हमारे पास होगी m1 plus m2 into L square by 3। Next है a horizontal circular rotates with the constant velocity directed vertically upward. A person seated on the center shot a bullet of the mass m horizontally with speed v. The acceleration of the bullet in the reference frame of the shooter is जो होगी वो होगी 2v ohm to his left. Two bodies of equal mass m connected by the massless rigid body L laying in xy plane of the rod at the origin. If the system is rotating about the z-axis with the frequency omega, in its angular momentum is ml square omega. A jet of gas, ये जो 21 है इसका आंसर ये नहीं है। इसका आंसर है एम एल स्क्वेयर ओमेगा बाई 2 है। हाफ होगा ना उसका मूवमेंट ऑफ इसका एंगुलर मोमेंटम हाफ होगा। 21 है ए जेट ऑफ द गैस कंसिस्ट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ मास m, स्पीड v एंड नंबर ऑफ द डेंसिटी इन ऑल मूविंग को लीनियरली। This jet with hits a wall at an angle theta to be the normal. The pressure exerted on the wall by the jet, assuming elastic collision, will be, वो हमारे पास होंगी P इज इक्वल टू 2 mn v स्क्वायर cos थीटा. The number of the degrees of the freedom of the rigid body in a free dimension is d into d plus 1/2. इसका जो है ना जर्नल है, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसे आप ज़रा ध्यान से देखिएगा. A particle of mass m is at the stable equilibrium position of the potential energy where the AB and positive. The minimum velocity has to imparted to the particle as a render is its motion stable is 64 a cube over 27 m square b की पावर 1/4. 24 वाला है हमारे पास. A uniform circular disk of the radius r, mass m, rotating with the angular speed omega about an axis passing through its center and inclined at an angle 60 degree with respect to its symmetry axis. The magnitude of the angular momentum of that disk is under root 7/8 omega m r square. A ring of the mass m and radius r rolls without slipping down an inclined plane starting from the rest. If the center of the ring is initially at the height h, the angular velocity, then the ring reaches at the base. जो हमारे पास उसका फार्मूला होगा वो √g इंटू h माइनस आर ओवर आर स्क्वेयर. 26 वाला है हमारे पास. A pendulum consists of a ring, mass m and radius r suspended by a massless rigid body of length L attached to its rim. When the pendulum oscillates in a plane of the ring, the time period of the oscillation is, हमारे पास जो फार्मूला बनेगा वो होगा 2 इंटू 2r स्क्वेयर प्लस 2rl प्लस l स्क्वेयर g इंटू r प्लस l. यहाँ पर ही हमारी रिजिड बॉडीज़ की जो MCQs हैं वो एंड होते हैं. अगर आप लोगों के लिए वीडियोस थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल रही हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा, अपने फेलोज़ के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा. तब तक दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह ताला आपको कामयाब भी अता करें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.